Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up OKTA Verify without QR code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up OKTA Verify without QR code, first what you need to do is head over and open up your browser and load your organization's OKTA account. Then simply log into your account with your credentials. Then once done, tap on your username, generally on the top right corner of the screen, and inside select settings or security settings. Then choose the setup multi-factor authentication or add OKTA Verify. When prompted to scan a QR code, look for a link or a button that says scan the QR code, enter code manually or similar. Simply click that to reveal the secret key, a string of letters and numbers. Then once done, what you need to do is copy that and open on your OKTA Verify app. Then simply tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen and then select your organization and select the option that says choose enter code manually or manual setup. Then next is to type in the secret key exactly as shown. Give the account a name if asked, and then the app will generate 6-digit verification code. Enter that code back on the OKTA verification website when prompted, and your OKTA Verify app is now linked. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.